good evening. You're watching the headlines with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. Speaking in Parliament, Congress leader Shashi Tharoor criticized the Citizenship Amendment Bill as fundamentally unconstitutional. He said that India was not envisioned as a country where religious identity determines one's nationality. Tharoor said that the bill was against the basic idea of India. The bill, when introduced in Parliament, is expected to face stiff opposition. The Union Cabinet has given the green signal to the bill, which is expected to be introduced in Parliament next week. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the Data Protection Bill to be introduced in Parliament next week. The bill has broad guidelines on collection, storage and processing of personal data, consent of individuals, penalties and compensation. Speaking about the bill, IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said India will never compromise on data sovereignty. In a big relief for Congress leader P. Chidambaram, he was granted bail by the Supreme Court in the INX media corruption case and will now walk out of jail after 106 days. Chidambaram will be walking out of the Tihar jail after being lodged there since August the 21st. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi called his incarceration vindictive and vengeful. Karti Chidambaram has said that his father will be in Parliament from tomorrow. BJP meanwhile took a dig at Chidambaram, saying he now joins those Congress leaders who are in the out on bail camp. The Allahabad High Court granted bail to the UP law student who was arrested for allegedly blackmailing Chinmayanand. The student has accused BJP leader Chinmayanand of rape. Her arrest was termed as vendetta by the opposition. The student has now spent 2 months in jail. Uddhav Thackeray, after assuming charge as Chief Minister of Maharashtra, has begun reviewing infrastructure projects in the state in marathon meetings. Soon after taking office, he reviewed the bullet train project, and before that, he had put a stop to the RA metro car shed project. 6 personnel of the Indo-Tibetan border police were killed and 2 others injured in Chhattisgarh today after one of the personnel allegedly opened fire at his colleagues. The constable who opened fire later shot himself. The incident took place at around 9 a.m. at an ITBP camp in Narayanpur district. Fugitive self-styled Godman Nithyananda, who fled India after being accused in a rape case, has established his own country on an island he has bought on the Pacific Ocean near ECUADOR. The country, called Kailash, is supposed to be a refuge for Hindus who have lost the right to practice Hinduism authentically in their own countries. Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin have stepped down from the executive positions at Google's parent company Alphabet Incorporated. Google CEO Sundar Pichai will now take over Alphabet as well. He thanked the founders for their vote of confidence in his abilities. Pichai said he was excited about the Google parent company's long-term focus on tackling big challenges through technology. As a parting shot to 2020 presidential candidate Kamala Harris, President Donald Trump tweeted, "Miss you," after she bowed out of the race due to lack of funding. Harris quickly hit back, writing, "Don't worry, I'll see you at trial." This was in reference to an impeachment inquiry against the US president for urging Ukraine to investigate the 2020 presidential candidate Joe Biden in exchange for aid money. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more.